we know about issues of the CR17, where the documents were even sealed by the court to demonstrate how classified that information was, how sensitive that information was. And currently...
Check for a moment.
Just pause, Advocate Mkhwebane, Honorable Mylan.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. I will pause.
Chairperson, I think we need to be very, very careful here in that there is a big difference between a document being sealed by the court, sensitive information, and classified information. And what is being dealt with in terms of security clearance is classified information. And we must not mislead the committee or the public that documents that are sealed by the court or information about the cabinet or the like is classified. If it is classified, it will have a classification in terms of the MISS. So I would appreciate it if the advocate would stick to the facts and stick to the legal classifications. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Mylan, for your clarification of those definitions of categories. Advocate Mkhwebane, back to you.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. Honorable Chairperson, thank you, Honorable Malham, for your contribution. To assist Honorable Malham, I have indicated in the beginning, Chairperson, that I'm citing an example. Now, I will, in order to assist the honorable member and the committee, I will break it down. Now, Mr. Neshunji, please listen very carefully. Let us be as elementary as possible and break down this information so that we assist even the members of the public that are listening. Now, do you agree that the Office of the Public Protector deals with classified documents?
Correct.
Do you agree that the office deals with information that is sensitive?
Some informations are sensitive. Correct.
Some information, that's fair enough. Fair enough, Mr. Neshunji. Now, to demonstrate the seriousness, the sensitivity, the classified information that the Office of the Public Protector deals with, it's in the public domain that currently there are investigations on the Phala Phala matter that are going on. And what has actually happened, Mr. Neshunji, is that the president has now given his answers as required by the acting public protector. However, that information has not even yet been released to the public. It has been ring-fenced so that it does not leak and find itself in wrong hands. In fact, that is done to protect the investigations that are still ongoing. Would you agree, Mr. Neshunji?
I agree that, yes, indeed, it is done in order to protect the integrity of the investigation.
So, in fact, will you agree that security within the Office of the Security of Information within the Office of the Public Protector is critical?
I concur with your analogy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just before you proceed, Advocate Mkhwebane, I see a hand here. Honorable Gondwe.
Chair, Advocate Mkhwebane is giving the impression that perhaps information pertaining to Phala Phala is classified information. Classified information is information that's been classified as top secret. And I don't want to go into detail on how the classification is done, but that information does not qualify as classified. It can, because the classification is top secret, secret, and confidential. So I think it's very important for her to be careful in terms of how she uses the terms. Because just because information is confidential, it doesn't mean that it's classified. Just because information is secret doesn't mean that it's classified. It has to be classified as classified information. And that information is not readily available in the public. Thank you.
Yes, I did not get him saying it's classified. She was making an example and then spoke about it being ring-fenced. That's what I would have heard. So I am not able to sustain that point of order based on what she was outlining.
But Chair, my point was she should be careful of trying to imply or give the impression that because information is ring-fenced or is being kept under the wraps by a certain person, it is necessarily classified information.
Thank you. My point is we're not there yet. I think let's allow the advocate to proceed and do this cross-examination. Before you continue, Honorable Mahlaule.
No, thank you very much, Chair. It's just to really plead with the members to be patient so that we get the essence of what point is being driven here. Because the interjections every now and then, we also lose the point where the advocate is driving to. At the end, we may be able to determine whether what she's arguing can be sustained or not. Just a patience. Thank you.
Thank you. Advocate Matlape.
No, Chair, my hand has been up.
Before I go to you, Honorable Mautwe.
Yeah, no, thank you very much, Chair. And I'm partly covered by Honorable Mahlaule. You know, we're being harassed here by DA members who wants to act as if they are lawyers themselves. Initially, it was the husband who doesn't have any legal background, whose wife does not have any legal background.
No, Honorable Mautwe.
Can they allow Advocate Matlape to continue?
Honorable Mautwe.
Please. Please,
Honorable Mautwe. Honorable Mautwe, I want to rule the language out of order. We have honorable members here, no husbands. And I've already made a ruling even before Honorable Mahlaule came in that we are going to allow Advocate Matlape to do the cross-examination and so that we follow and understand and not break up her argument. So I want you to just please tone down. Advocate Matlape.
Chairperson, I would like to really thank you for the protection. Are we still on?
You're talking to Mr. Neshunzi.
Yes.
They have now disturbed your trend. You're calling Mr. Neshunzi advocate. Go ahead.
Honorable Chair, but no worries. Let's go back to the business of the day. I would like to say that, Honorable Chair, I am not trying to categorize or compartmentalize information. What I'm trying to do is to emphasize that there is sensitive information that is dealt with at the Office of the Public Protector. That's all.